Model for Markowitz CAPM, a CAPM model for macro day. Congrats 14. Creatures gathering 18. Containers. The volume of a sizing does not depend on the type of what if we had a what is beta. Beta is equal to any variance of the capital market line, security, a single manager, a single account of the stock market. What do I have here? Beta. I have here a variable of beta. It will be a variance. Beta is equal to 1. And what do I have here? RM. And here I have a variable of RM, which means that now I come and say when I look at CAPM, so what does CAPM tell me? Tell me what you want to support with a high rate to know what its value is. Don't look at the stock market. You have to look at its beta. What is its beta? And according to beta, you can support the value. And what does CAPM tell us? The same idea. The security market line tells us that a variance of a single account is equal to a loss of stock, and also beta, a variance of RM minus RM. Pay attention. Instead of putting the ratio of the capital market line, we put our I is equal to RF plus CP divided by sigma M divided by M minus RM. R is like a market rate. Sorry, a rate of any rate. What is equal to the loss of stock and the ratio of the capital, the value of the stock? What is equal to the value of the price per unit is equal to the loss of stock and the beta, which is the previous one. Our risk is R. Do you understand the difference? The same thing. Pay attention. RM minus RM is called a premium risk, and both have premium risk. Once I measure it with the ratio of the stock prices, I will put it only in beta. Now, what does it say? The more the price is more dangerous. So how do I measure the risk? In what? In the bigger house. The bigger house. Great. The bigger house. The bigger the house, the greater the risk of the price. What does it say? What does the bigger house say? Pay attention. You check the beta with respect to the market. Now I will give you an example. Let's say you invest in Tel Aviv's stock price of 35%, which is the same, and you say I invest in the price of NICE, and the price of NICE, the price of the market. When Tel Aviv's stock price rises by 10%, the price of NICE rises by 20%. When Tel Aviv's stock price rises by 50%, the price of NICE rises by 80%, always more. But when Tel Aviv's stock price rises by 5%, what happens to NICE? It drops by 20%. It drops more. This is called aggressive compared to the market. That means their beta is very high. Exactly. The higher the price, the more the price is stronger, both for the price and the price. This is called a beta aggressive. Okay, what is aggressive compared to the market? This is the constant comparison of the risk of how we check if we made a good or bad move compared to the market. This is exactly the observation of the beta. When you look at something, the meaning, these are the expressions of what is a smaller house than 1, a smaller house than 1. Let's say Tel Aviv's stock price rises by 10%. Exactly. The price of Tel Aviv's stock price rises by 10%. The price of NICE rises by 10%. This is exactly a defensive house. Okay, so a smaller house than 1 is defensive, aggressive, and a bigger house than 1 is aggressive. Okay, and beta is equal to what it says, that it is like the market. For example, in Israel, what is managed as the market? The management of the banks. If you invest in the management of the bank of the actions of the Bank of the State of Israel, you will get that it is exactly less or more than the price of Tel Aviv's stock price 35%. Yes, in a bold way, I say that it is almost equal. Almost. Okay, so this is the idea of what we need to know when we see a stock price rise or something like that. How do we calculate the beta? Or if the beta is given, how do we calculate it? So let's give an example. So like this, some people invest less, but they invest less in some kind of business here in Israel. Yes, look, they invest in stocks. Look why. You have today almost 200 billion shekels that are sitting in all kinds of Israeli stocks, in local stocks, because the right to invest today is in a stock, not in a single stock. So you invest in the Tel Aviv stock price 35%, but most people invest in stock in foreign companies, in stocks. Also, not many people, also, because the stock there is wider, deeper, bigger. Yes, because the SCP is one of the 500 largest companies. So like this, an example, in Dragon stocks, in the AUCCP. Convert, Caddyshack convert, TFUA convert, lose 5%. It is known that the beta of the X ratio is one of the 6. What is the rate of the x ratio? When I say the rate of the x, and I say here it is the rate of the x, yes? The rate of the x, so the average of the rates. So what is the rate of the x? So I come here and I say something like this. How to find the r of the x? The rate of the r is equal to the rf and the beta is equal to the rm minus the rf. So I want to find what is the rate of the x, equal to 0.05 and 1.6 multiplied by 0.12 minus 0.05. So if I know that the beta is 1.6 and the square is 0.5, if I can find what the rate is, then this is the rate to give me. So I will get 0.12, 0.07 multiplied by 1.6 and 0.05. So the rate of the r of the x is equal to 0.162, 16.2.5.